Daily English Talks.
What is in your town?
Hi, Lily. I've been curious about your town lately. Could you tell me what it's like?
Of course, Tom. My town is actually quite peaceful and surrounded by beautiful green hills.
That sounds amazing. Do you have many interesting places to visit there?
Yes, we do. We have a lovely park right in the center, where families usually spend their weekends.
Oh, I love parks. Is it big enough for people to have picnics or play sports?
Definitely. The park has a large open field, a children's playground, and even a small lake with ducks.
Wow, that sounds really relaxing. Do you go there often?
Yes, I go there almost every Sunday morning for a walk, and sometimes to read a book under a tree.
That's such a nice routine. What else can people do in your town besides going to the park?
Well, we also have a modern shopping mall where people can buy clothes, gadgets, and have delicious food.
That sounds convenient. Is it far from your house?
Not really. It takes about 10 minutes by motorbike, so it's quite close.
Lucky you. In my town, the mall is about 30 minutes away.
Oh, really? That's quite a distance. What do people usually do for fun in your town then?
Well, my town is smaller, but we have a nice movie theater and a few cozy coffee shops.
That's still great. I love going to coffee shops and trying different drinks.
Me too. There's one coffee shop in my town that plays soft music and serves amazing pastries.
That sounds like the perfect place to relax after a busy day.
Absolutely. By the way, do you have any famous landmarks or old buildings in your town?
Yes, we have an old clock tower that was built over 100 years ago.
Wow, that must be a beautiful historical spot.
It is. Many tourists like to take pictures there, especially at sunset when the sky turns golden.
That must be a stunning view. I'd love to see it someday.
You definitely should. What about your town? Any famous places there?
Well, my town is known for its local market, where people sell handmade crafts and fresh fruits.
That sounds lovely. I enjoy markets like that because they feel warm and full of life.
Exactly. You can hear people laughing, smell fresh bread, and see colorful vegetables everywhere.
I can imagine that scene. It feels like your town has a very friendly atmosphere.
Yes, everyone knows each other, and neighbors often help one another when needed.
That's wonderful. In my town, people are friendly too, but it's growing so fast that not everyone knows each other anymore.
Oh, so it's becoming a bigger town now?
Yes, more buildings, new restaurants, and even a cinema have opened recently.
That's exciting. Change can make a town more lively.
True, but sometimes I miss the quiet days when there were fewer cars and less noise.
I completely understand. Every town changes with time, but memories stay the same.
That's such a nice way to put it, Tom. Do you think you'll stay in your town forever?
I'm not sure. I love my town, but I also want to explore bigger cities in the future.
Same here. I'd love to live somewhere new for a while, maybe a city near the sea.
That sounds amazing. Imagine waking up and hearing the sound of waves every morning.
Yes, that would be a dream come true. But no matter where I go, I'll always miss my hometown.
I feel the same way. Home is where our best memories are.
Exactly. So what kind of food is popular in your town?
Oh, we're famous for our spicy noodles and grilled fish. It's a local favorite.
That sounds delicious. In my town, people love to eat fresh fruit desserts and homemade cakes.
Yum! Maybe one day we can visit each other's towns and try all the food.
That would be great. I'll show you the best bakery in my town.
And I'll take you to the best noodle shop in mine.
Deal. So what's your favorite place in your town if you had to choose one?
I'd say the riverbank. It's peaceful and the view is beautiful, especially at sunset.
That sounds like the perfect place to clear your mind.
It really is. What about you? What's your favorite place?
I think it's the park. I love watching the ducks swim and listening to the wind in the trees.
That sounds relaxing. Nature always makes everything feel calm and happy.
Yes, sometimes I just sit there quietly and think about life.
That's beautiful. I think both our towns sound special in their own ways.
I agree. Every town has its own charm and little stories to tell.
You're right, and talking about it makes me appreciate where I live even more.
Me too. Sometimes we forget how lucky we are to live in peaceful places.
Absolutely. Maybe next time we can talk about how our towns celebrate festivals.
That's a great idea, Tom. I'd love to share that next time.